Once upon a time, there was a little bird who was scared to fly. She watched other birds soar high in the sky, but she stayed in her nest. I might fall, she thought. One day, a strong wind shook the tree. The little bird lost her balance and slipped from the nest. She closed her eyes in fear. But her wings opened on their own. Instead of falling, she was flying. The wind that scared her was the same wind that helped her rise. From that day, the little bird was never afraid again. Moral: sometimes the thing we fear helps us grow.